Looking for a meal that combines flavor, health, and convenience? At Healthy You, we transform your fitness routine. Today, I'll show you how to make a creamy baked chicken pasta with a refreshing salad that will make you fall in love with healthy cooking. Like the video and subscribe to Healthy You for easy weekly recipes that help you eat well without giving up on pleasure. In less than 40 minutes, you'll have a high-protein, colorful dish with that dreamy melted cheese. Mouth-watering already? Stick with me until the end because here at Healthy You, we make your fitness journey delicious. Let's start with what you'll need. For the main dish, 1 chicken breast, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 2 garlic cloves, half an orange bell pepper, 1 tomato, a handful of fresh parsley, 250 grams of pasta, 3 eggs, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and 200 grams of mozzarella. For the salad, celery, 2 small cucumbers, green onions, and plain yogurt. You probably already have most of these in your kitchen. And if you don't have an orange bell pepper, feel free to use red or yellow. What matters is the flavor. Let's get cooking. Cut the chicken breast into cubes or strips. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika to taste. In a skillet, add a drizzle of vegetable oil and brown the chicken. Now add 1 chopped onion, 1 grated or finely sliced carrot, 2 minced garlic cloves, half a diced orange bell pepper, 1 chopped tomato, and a handful of fresh parsley. Saute everything until the vegetables are soft and well combined with the chicken. Now for the creamy sauce. In a bowl, mix 3 eggs, salt, black pepper, oregano to taste, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Whisk until smooth. This will give the dish an amazing creamy texture. In a pot of boiling water with salt and a dash of oil, cook 250 grams of pasta until al dente. Drain and set aside. Let's assemble the dish. Combine the sautéed chicken and vegetables with the cooked pasta. Pour in the creamy sauce and mix well. Stir in 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Top with 1 sliced tomato and finish with 200 grams of mozzarella for that golden gratin. Transfer everything to a baking dish and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until beautifully gratinated. Now for the fresh salad. In a bowl, mix chopped celery, to thinly sliced small cucumbers, chopped green onion stalks, salt to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. This salad is refreshing and perfectly balances the main dish. And that's it, a complete, healthy, and delicious dinner in minutes. So, what do you think? This creamy chicken and veggie pasta is perfect for impressing family or friends, no hassle needed. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious recipes to help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor, check out the ebook Slim Savor 30 Easy Global Recipes to Lose Weight Without Giving Up Flavor. The link is in the description, don't miss it. Leave a like, share with someone who loves good food, and subscribe to Healthy You for more recipes that will transform your kitchen. See you next time.